Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing about creating a login page and sign up page by using NodeJS and ExpressJS. Here you can see my login page JS. First we must install ExpressJS by running this command npm install express. I already installed this command, and we must store the ExpressJS in a constant variable express, and we must use the function in a variable app, and we are using the variable by using the static keyword, and we are accessing the server in a public, and we are storing the FireBase admin and generate a primary key and store in a service account, and my credentials are stored in the service account. And here you can see the database function I am storing in the variable called db. And for signing up, we are using the function with the parameters request and response. Request is for generating a request by the user, and response will generate by the server, and we are using the get method to get the response, and we get the response as a file. Here you can see the sign up HTML file. It is a public. This is my code for signing up the form. You must take the form action and a method get, and you can see this login page. And we must declare some collection name, and to store the variables like name, email and password in the collection. My collection name is registered data, and if the data are stored in the database, then the response will generate you have registered successfully. And for getting the details, we must use the login page. Here you can see the login page code. You must use the function same as you wrote in the login page, and here you can see same parameters for the function request and response. For generating the response is a public, and we can access the HTML page. Here you can see my login form with the form action details and the method get. If the login page details are correctly identified in the database, it returns the response login successful. If the mismatch occurs in the login page, and you can see the message, the response which is generated by the server, that is login failed, please enter the correct details, and our port number is 3000. And you can see here I wrote dashboard. In the dashboard I save the welcome user response, and I will show you the output. For seeing the output, must on the server, and we must run the file node space login.js. The server was on, and must enter localhost 3000. It is a localhost method, and it is the port number / sign up page. I want to store the data in database, username and I am giving the mail ID. And I am giving the password. And then click the sign up button. Here you can see the message generated by the server. We have registered successfully, and we can check the registered data by going to the FireBase. Here you can see just now I entered my name and email and password, and we can log in this. Must give here login to access my login page. Here you can see must enter the same email. If entered login, it requires the field password, and we must enter the password. Must enter the correct password. See, I wrote here wrong password and it shows login failed. Please enter the correct details. Now I will enter correct details. And after entering the correct details, it shows the login successful. We can check the dashboard. Localhost : port number, and we can check dashboard. Here I wrote a statement: welcome user. See, and the data was stored in the database. You can see this. You can enter another data. For storing the data in a database, I am entering here. I am entering Vishnu College. Entered vishnu@gmail.com, and I am entering the password 123, and I am clicking the signing up button. Here you can see the data stored successfully in the database. You can check the data. Here you can see Vishnu College and email and password, and we can log in this by going login page. Must enter the mail ID and password. Here you can see login successful, and this is how you can create the dynamic web page by using the NodeJS server and ExpressJS. You can create a request and a response by using the ExpressJS and NodeJS, and you can store the data by using the FireBase. Thank you all.